Did you know that the oldest line drawing is 32,000 years old and they found it in a cave? Can you guess what it is?
The importance of line art is evident to artists as it is one of the fundamental elements of visual arts. Be it complex or simple, line art can convey powerful emotions and meaning.
In drawing, lines are used to create shapes, patterns, texture, space, and movement.
According to art scholars, there are 5 main types of lines in art: curved, diagonal, horizontal, vertical, and zigzag. Lines can also be referred to as organic and inorganic, or also known as geometric. For example, this drawing by Master Albrecht Dürer presents the use of organic lines, which, as the name suggests, are like those found in nature: curving, twisting, spiraling, imperfect. On the other hand, inorganic or geometric shapes are structured and not necessarily resemble real-world shapes, as we can see in this painting by Mondrian. All these types of lines are then used by the artist individually or in combination to create any shape that they want. All these types of lines are used individually or in combination to create any shape the artist wants. Personally, I prefer to draw lines in a continuous fashion, like this, instead of in short bursts like some people do. And that's because I believe it looks both cleaner and more robust. Line drawing not only helps us artists bring an idea to life and establish the foundation of a more complex work of art to come, but also serves as a means for warming up your hand and wrist, especially when you're doing sketching, as well as help you continue your artistic development. Once you draw the basic shape that you want, you can apply details to make it more interesting. One of the properties is line quality or weight. This refers to the thickness of the line, and it may be used to illustrate a light source or to highlight an element in your drawing. The other elements you can add to your line drawing are hatching and cross-hatching. This technique allows you to add some shadows and depth to the drawing. For example, if the light source comes from the sun here, then this part of the drawing would have a bit of a shadow. We can also create the illusion of movement by drawing lines behind this cyclist and make him look as if he's riding fast. Sometimes artists utilize what are called implied lines. One instance is when some lines are totally missing, like this drawing of a ballerina, where I play with negative spaces and then allow your mind to fill in the blanks of the implied lines and complete the image as a whole.
Daddy,
Yes?
what can I do to practice my line drawing?
Good question, Maya. One of the most used and effective exercises to practice your line drawing is called contour drawing. All you need to start are a piece of paper and a pencil. You can start by holding up your non-drawing hand and put it on the table like this. And then, with the pencil, just follow the outlines of the hand on the paper. Try to focus on the shape of your hand. Every line, shape, nook, and cranny. Work slowly and try not to lift the pencil from the paper. And don't look at what you're drawing. In this exercise, the finished product is not important. This exercise helps with your hand-eye coordination, sharpens your observation skills, develops your patience, and can even serve as a type of meditation, slowing down your brain waves and clearing your mind. Once you finish with your hand, you can move over to other objects. I hope you enjoyed the video.
And also, please punch that subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications when our next video is about to come out.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.